Nano Banana 2 review, Pro Quality for cents. If you've heard about the Nano Banana 2 and you're wondering whether something at this price point can actually deliver anything close to professional quality, this review gives you an honest assessment of what you're actually getting for your money. The Nano Banana 2 is a compact audio tool, specifically a microphone preamp and direct injection device, that has generated significant buzz in the home recording and content creator community for delivering a level of performance that its price tag has no right to suggest. At around 7 cents depending on where you source it, the conversation around this device is largely about how it exists at all. Right from the start, it's worth being clear about what the Nano Banana 2 is and is not. It is not a replacement for a high-end studio preamp costing hundreds of thousands of dollars. What it is, however, is a surprisingly capable tool for the budget-conscious creator, musician, or hobbyist who needs a functional and decent-sounding signal path without a significant financial commitment. The build quality reflects the price. The hardware feels light and the construction is basic, which is exactly what you'd expect. In a professional environment, the physical build would be a deal breaker. For home use, bedroom recording, or podcast production where the gear isn't taking a beating, it's adequate. The audio performance is where the Nano Banana 2 earns its reputation. Running a signal through it produces noticeably cleaner output than going without a preamp at all. And for the target use case of budget home recording, that improvement is meaningful. The noise floor is acceptable and the gain structure works well enough for vocal and instrument recording in a controlled environment. Comparing it directly to professional preamps is unfair and beside the point. The right way to evaluate the Nano Banana 2 is whether it delivers value relative to its cost, and on that measure, it genuinely over-delivers. For anyone curious about getting started with better audio on an almost non-existent budget, it's hard to argue with the value proposition here. Now let's look at the pros and cons. The Nano Banana 2 is a genuinely impressive achievement for its price point, delivering audio improvement that is clearly audible compared to going without a preamp entirely. It is not competing with professional studio equipment and should never be evaluated as if it were. For hobbyists, beginners, and budget-conscious creators, it represents outstanding value that makes audio quality improvement accessible at almost no financial barrier. If you go in with realistic expectations matched to the price, the Nano Banana 2 is difficult to criticize.